Welcome to the Pixel edition of EventTech Explained. Pixel is short for Picture Element. You might be asking yourself, what does a pixel have to do with event planning? An event isn't just about finding the right venue and caterer. It's about your company's brand image. There are a lot of visual elements that go into creating your event marketing tools, and pixels play a crucial role in the quality of your event communications. Having the right number of pixels in your images or videos means providing your participants with a great experience and conveys a positive image for your company. 3 things are essential for an optimal image: the image size, or height and width in pixels, its resolution, and its ratio. First of all, it's important to know that a pixel is simply a unit of measurement. You will often find it abbreviated as px. Your computer screen is composed of thousands of pixels in height and width, forming the image that appears on screen. Then there's image resolution, which is basically the number of pixels contained per unit, often described as ppi, or pixels per inch. For those of you on the metric system, an inch is 2.54 centimeters. The more pixels an image has, the higher the resolution and the sharper the image. Finally, the image ratio is the difference between its width and height. A standard square image of 500 by 500 pixels has a ratio of 1 because 500 divided by 500 is 1. A standard HD image has a PPI of 1920 by 1080 pixels, also known as 16 by 9. Nowadays, most of us have Retina screens. If we want to have images that are optimized for these type of screens, you'll need a PPI of at least 227 for computers and 150 for smartphones. If you want flawless event websites and invitations, be careful to respect the dimensions that are recommended in your event management software. Why? Because an image that is too small or has a low resolution will not display well. An image that is resized without respecting the ratio will be distorted on screen. An image that is too large or too high of a resolution will be too heavy and take a longer time to load. These problems might deter your participants from registering to your event. In EventDrive, there are recommended dimensions for all visual elements throughout the platform, and we also provide templates such as Photoshop files ready with the right dimensions to help make marketing your event easier. That's the magic of EventDrive. Check out the resources page on our website for free templates and more. Until next time.